Hello, Mzenzi. Gogo Maweni hosted a powerful spiritual gathering event filled with healing, rituals, drumming, and ancestral connection. But the big question is who actually attended. So the celebrities and influencers that I spotted was Kanyimbau, Lebu Mutlax, and Mangobo from Uzalo. So tickets were selling very fast, over 60% sold during the line-up. So the picnic was packed with everyday people, healing seekers, followers of Maweni, traditional spirituality lovers, and community members who came to learn, pray, and reconnect with their ancestors. At the end of the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Bye-bye.
Actually 2 days ago, I was thinking about this. I said, I think Lenyatso, I'm sorry to say it, if I stand to be corrected, please do correct me, I'm a human being. I think Lenyatso la banna sometimes mo basading ke gore mosadi gana sepe gore o tlile o sena sepe, you have nothing. So ha go cheata, ha go direla makaka, a go bolella dipuo is because o tlore, who are you without me? So I can tell my little who would you again. Can you get a little it's fine? And I get a horrible hotel and little it's okay. When get a chop me Mercedes Benz okay. What's up, man? What drive like it's here? Say who drive a Mercedes Benz because of no break and tracing your car. And the way to get like a rich on Yagane, Muna Challenge.
All the way from KZN, you've lost some more than the judge. So that mama go doesn't know about shit. Anyone doesn't know about shit. Kawani and over like Kunume Ake. I get it, you Kawani. Maso in Nadale. I'm a good zima, Oxida Ebawaka. I go to my book and I got to Kala, so Salah but hey, doesn't know about shit.
And say it. I'm rich, guys. I don't sit with poverty. Say it. Even if Masu Tushalezol is on 14, but I mean, you don't mix with poverty, and that's okay. We are full of it, guys. We could let them full of it. But I always knew, I'm a Santon girl. Only as I think some of perfume, you can me up and down because I'm that girl. And now I am that girl. So I am imploring you, please, Uti, use your Instagrams as an altar. The music you play must say something. Oh my God, Sister Bettina. It's just a chicken. It's just a chicken. So thank you so much for this moment. And bathi angifollow abantu ngoba ama page abo mabi. They're unrealistic, and choose the people you follow also. Because more flicker, the energy of flicking is an energy that's pushed forward.
Yeah.
So when you flick, isn't those bonayo? That's your timeline.
Yeah.
Because the eye records everything.
Yeah.
Follow money only, and that's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Oh wow. Wow.